all of you here are my relatives. How? Because we come from the same source, and after that, Noah, may peace be upon him, he was the only one according to us who had children. So we are all the children of Noah, Nuh alayhi salam. And coming further down, we are connected even closer, but perhaps we may not know. We're not so many generations away from each other. Did you know this? We are the same species. We belong to one. It's just that we are 15th order cousins. So that's why we don't know. We are related. We are related. And that's why if someone comes and says, you know, I'm related to Mufti Menk, believe them, they are. I say, I'm related too. I had a man come to me and say, you know, there is a girl who wants to marry my son. But we are the family of the Prophet. Listen, it's a true story. We are the family of the Prophet. And please, can you tell them that they're not allowed to marry the family of the Prophet? I said, what's her name? I didn't even know the story. What's her name? So he gave me a name. Say it was Fatima. I said, oh, them. They are also the family of the Prophet. Did you know that? So he said, no, I was unaware. I said, I'm telling you, I can write it and sign it for you. He said, are you serious? Anyway, his tone changed. Later on, these people contacted me and said, wow, you know, you just lied. I said, A'udhu Billah, you think I would lie? You think I would lie? So they say, but why did you tell them we are the family of the Prophet? I said, I didn't tell them which Prophet. MashaAllah. So now when I hear people say, I'm the family of the Prophet, I say, no stress, I'm also the family of a Prophet. MashaAllah. May Allah bless you. At least you learned something today, right?